building a library and testing your application, you don't have to constantly wait for it to be published before you consume it. Then you also need to be able to provide this to other people.
Great. So the question is, what happens if you're working on a library that people are using like a pretty stable version, but you yourself are doing rapid development on the library and you want to test it quickly without having to wait to publish and such? So I wish that there was like a really cool answer, but what we figured out at my prior team is we just did this hack, which ended up being really popular. So we had a flag that was use artifact, and it was a bool, and we put it in our build.gradle file. So when we were doing rapid changes for the library that we needed to be testing quickly, we just pulled down the source code and it sat in there similar to what it would have looked like with the Git submodules or repo tool, so that we could change the source code at the same time. And then when we were ready, then we could just publish from that same setup. We could just run the artifact republish commands and then publish that up. So I don't have that in here yet, but I'll do a new branch called like 06-hack. So that, because basically that was the only way that we did it. At my prior company, we were using Artifactory, and it became just like this 10-step process every time we just wanted to change one thing, you know, and it was really hard. So I feel like that's like the best solution is to go into like source code mode where you have the shell and library together, and then go back to Artifactory mode to reference the library later.